don't already know me, my name is Jarreths Cohorn. I'm here to tell you about what happened to me on May 23rd, 2008. You see, it was the last day of school. My cousin and I skipped out after the second hour. We were just being dumb kids when one of us decided it would be more fun if we went out and raced. We were out on Moonlight View Road, going about 70 miles an hour. When I caught some air and hit some dirt piled up on the side of the road. This sent my car end over end. I was ejected out the driver's side window. I broke my collarbone, had massive lung contusions, fractured my back, and worst of all, suffered severe brain trauma. I'm told this by my mom and dad because I don't remember the crash, and although the rest of the story of my life is still being written, but it would have been very different if I had been wearing my seatbelt. Here in America, out of 6,000 teenagers who died in car crashes last year, 66% were not wearing seatbelts. If all teenagers wore seatbelts, it would save over 1,000 lives and prevent 132,000 injuries yearly. If I would have been wearing mine, it may not have prevented my accident, but it may have prevented a majority of my injuries. I hope that all of you can learn from my mistakes.
We as Jarreths parents took these pictures while he was in a coma because since Jarreth was little, he's been a why kid. Why? And we knew once he woke up from the coma, he was going to start asking questions. So these were pictures for his benefit.
But the pictures when you said